Welcome. I'm glad to be able to join you today where we explore the world of meditation and mindfulness. I will share with you my top tips on how to meditate effectively. So grab a comfortable seat and let's dive in. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing to your body to relax. Set an intention for your meditation practice, whether it's finding inner peace or reducing stress. Having a clear intention will help guide your focus. Pay attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to become steady and rhythmic, anchoring you in the present moment. Embrace non-judgment. As thoughts arise, simply observe them without attaching any judgment or meaning. Let them drift away like passing clouds. Cultivate gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the blessings in your life, small things. Gratitude cultivates a positive mindset and enhances overall well-being. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, please. Remember that meditation is a journey and it's okay to have moments of distraction or restlessness. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase your meditation time. Consistency is key. By making meditation a part of your daily routine, you will begin to experience its benefits. Remember, the art of meditation is about finding inner peace and stillness. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this practice and let go of any expectation. Thank you for joining us on this mindful journey. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channels for more valuable content. Until next time.